Hello class, good afternoon. I'm Rebecca Wiggins and I'm going to talk to you about my logo today and my inspirations behind it and how I went about making it finally work. I rent my property right here outside Nashville, Tennessee. This is actually my Airbnb site where I've pretty much have just started learning how to do this rental thing. I want to show you the inspiration behind my logo. I feel like the pictures sell themselves. It's the view. You're in nature. You have 5 acres to yourself if you rent my home, and a beautiful view of the river. This is a place of peace and quiet. You can meditate, get away from the world, the busy city life, the busy work life, where we all get distracted and sometimes forget why we're really here. And this place is really relaxing and inspiring for me. I write music here. And in this photo, my sister gave me some acupuncture because I was so stressed out. And just being here alone is enough to recharge, start over, and just be in peace and quiet and meditate. I also own these two buildings behind my house, and I hope to rent them out soon as well. They need drywall. They need drywall and insulation and electricity. So again, here they are behind my house. There's the view. You have all this land to yourself in peace and quiet. And the big word is relax. Just relax. So let's get to the logo. I had a lot of frustrations here. I spent so much time on all these websites. freelogoservices.com. This is one of them. I spent so much time on it today and others throughout the week, and I finally decided, man, I love this one. And with all of these, it's just you have to provide your credit card information at the end. So just imagine me going through this so many times, okay? And almost giving up. I even tried one site that was kind of free, I guess. And this just wasn't good to me. It just wasn't good. I was very discouraged. So I even tried to zoom in, screenshot. Finally, I decided maybe I could make this happen on Paint. And ta-da! So, circle tool. Curve tool. Those were the two main tools I used to create this. Text tool. Then when I had my lines enclosed, I'd fill it in with the colors I wanted. And the reason I really liked this was because the blues and greens, I call them mood colors. They're just relaxing, and I like the circle. That's a really good shape to me for what I'm going for here. And it's just simple, to the point. The font isn't complicated. By complicated, I mean really weird colors where you can barely read it. A good font size, and also the script. It's not crazy cursive. And sometimes cursive is pretty, but it's just better to not use that. And I even changed the color a little bit on the word relax in real. It's an offset purple. But yeah, this took a couple hours with a few breaks, and it was very rewarding. I totally believe in Paint and used it for my positioning grid analysis, and that looked very professional as well. And I hope to maybe critique this a little bit in the future, but I'm really happy with this, and I think it portrays what's in those photos I showed you of my property. And I hope everyone has a great day, and thank you for listening.